Welcome in Git Learning, and today we'll learn to see all the changes made by you and your collaborators using Git program. Here I have already made one repository. This repository contains a Git folder, images and one text file. This project was completed by more than one author in several days, so we'll see all the changes. Okay. Now just open Git GUI. Since we have already created our repository, so we can open from this option, open existing repository, browse. Visualize a master's history. Here we can see two rows, first row and the second row. First row contains three columns, first, second and third, and the second row contains two columns, first and second. Here we can see all the comments written by authors. In the second column we can see the address of the authors, and in the last column we can see the dates. Okay. In the first column of second row we can see difference, old version, new version, and in the second column of second row we can see the updates. Okay. We can start from bottom. This project was started at this date, okay, by this author, and this was the comment, first comment, and at this day in this folder these files were there. Okay. In starting we can see text file, PDF file, and in the next time this file was updated by this author, and this was the comment. We can see the comment here. So on this day we can see the changes. Okay, this one was removed and this one was added. For example, if you want to see the changes on this day made by this author, this was the comment. We can see comment here also, and at that time these were the files. We can see the changes in text file at that day. On this day only this section was changed. Okay. So it's very simple, and you can see all the changes from starting to end. That's it. Thanks for watching.